Is it on? Is it working? Greetings! This is Hubs 2 coming back at you live on the MALT LIQUOR TOUR 2019. And yeah, it's, well, it's got a bit rough. It's a bit rough, kids. Yeah, it's fucking snowing. And in my hand here, I have a 40 ounce of Mickey's Fine MALT LIQUOR, because this is on the fucking label. Label out. I don't know how long this video is going to last. It might not last at all. I might fall off the roof or die of frostbite. Anyway, cheers. Give a hoot, don't pollute. I am a fucking genius. Once again, live in America. Jesus fucking hell. Cheers. You won't see this footage on the Weather Channel. Fuck you out, Rolky, you fat fuck. You down there? You down there? Okay, okay, you're good, you're good. Oh, Jesus Christ. Right. Live TV, folks, it does happen. Anyone wants something off the grill? Probably not. Jesus Christ. I'll give your hands warm though. What the... Wow. Jesus fucking Christ, look at that. Live TV, folks. Take precautions as always. Wrap it up before you slap it up. It's not gonna work. Stay on, you bitch. Stay on. Live TV, folks. What's the elephant? Ow. Yeah, I don't think this video is going to last really. Hey! Have we had a drink, son? Jesus Christ. Bloody hell. Yeah, it's nearly, is this a blizzard? You call it a blizzard? 3 sheets to the wind and all that. MALT LIQUOR. Yeah, directly in the face. That's what I did to her last night. Look at it, piling up. Look at it, piling up. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. All the way here live from Boston, Massachusetts, where it's fucking cold. And it's really coming down now. MALT LIQUOR, I might have to hunker down in the church over there. That's where I'm living, the church. Because, you know, I'm a good godson of God. In fact, I am the God. I'm the MALT LIQUOR God. The British MALT LIQUOR God. The fuck is that? Live TV, folks. This is fucking ridiculous. I take you fucking everywhere around the world. Jesus, bloody hell. What is that? What is that? I thought somebody was going to shoot me then. Up on the roof, la 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 la. Up on the roof, la 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 la. In Boston, la 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 la. Jesus Christ. I've not seen this kind of weather since the 1970s, when I lived in the middle of the United Kingdom, a place called Yorkshire. Well, they've all got like 3 fingers like that. Bloody hell. Yeah, it's coming down. MALT LIQUOR. Wow. This might be the second aborted MALT LIQUOR video of me out here in the United States in Boston, Massachusetts. Because, yeah, it's getting even heavier now. And I might fall off the roof. fuck is that? Rugby. Bloody hell. Live TV, folks. Jesus Christ. Yeah, traffic's backing up a bit. Look at that. Yeah, this is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Malt liquor. Right, I think we better end the video soon. Jesus Christ. Look at that. Nearly the penultimate video that has had to be aborted, just like all your sad fetuses that you impregnated your slaggy, ugly women with. It's been Happy 72 coming back at you, ending the video, the failed Malt Liquor Mickey's video live from Boston, Massachusetts. Check the motherfucking view, homies. Jesus. Malt liquor.